My slave, if you were to ignore me, neglect me, sin, never pray, become the worst person, the filthiest person, the biggest criminal, not for 10 years, not for 20 years, not for 30 years, not for 40 or 50 or 60, you could be the worst of the worst, the filth of the filth. And once, only once in your life, something enters your heart and you say to Allah, Ya Rabb, Allah says, Na'am ya Abdi, what do you want? My slave, if you come to me, this Allah that doesn't need anyone, clearly, this Allah that doesn't need anyone, says, oh my slaves, in the authentic hadith al-Kutzi, authentic hadith, says, oh my slaves, if you come to me a handspan, I come to you an arm's length. My slave, if you come to me walking, I come to you running. Oh my slave, when you remember me, I remember you. My slave, when you forget me, I still remember you.